Introduction. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a case study, Successful Implementation of SAP FI. We'll explore how organizations have leveraged SAP FI to enhance their financial processes, improve efficiency, and achieve significant growth. Let's take a closer look at a compelling example that showcases the transformative power of SAP FI. Case Study Overview. Lahori Zeera. Our case study focuses on Lahori Zeera, a fast-growing beverage brand in India. With an impressive production capacity of 2.5 million bottles daily and operations across 8 states, Lahori Zeera faced challenges in tracking finances and ensuring operational efficiency. To address these challenges, they turned to SAP FI for a comprehensive solution. The challenges. Before implementing SAP FI, Lahori Zeera encountered several key issues. Lack of real-time visibility. The company struggled with delayed financial reporting, which hindered decision-making. Inefficient payment tracking. Manual processes for tracking payments led to errors and reconciliation difficulties. Scalability concerns. As the business grew, their existing systems could not keep up with the increasing volume of transactions. Implementation of SAP FI. To overcome these challenges, Lahori Zeera embarked on a strategic implementation of SAP FI. Here's how they approached the process. Step 1. Needs Assessment. The first step involved conducting a thorough needs assessment to identify specific requirements for financial management. This included engaging stakeholders from finance and operations to gather input, analyzing existing processes to pinpoint inefficiencies. Step 2. System Configuration. With clear requirements in hand, the team configured SAP FI to meet their needs. General Ledger Setup. They established a robust chart of accounts to facilitate accurate financial reporting. Accounts payable and receivable automation. Automated workflows were implemented for invoice processing and payment tracking. Step 3. Integration with other systems. Lahori Zeera integrated SAP FI with their existing payment systems and other SAP modules, enhancing overall functionality. Real-time data flow. This integration allowed for seamless data exchange between finance and operations, providing real-time visibility into financial transactions. Step 4. Training and support. To ensure successful adoption, Lahori Zeera invested in comprehensive training for their finance team. User training sessions. These sessions equipped employees with the skills needed to navigate the new system effectively. Ongoing support. A dedicated support team was established to assist users post-implementation. Results achieved. The implementation of SAP FI yielded significant benefits for Lahori Zeera. 1. Enhanced financial visibility. The company gained real-time insights into its financial position, enabling more informed decision-making. 2. Improved payment tracking. Automated payment processes reduced errors and streamlined reconciliation efforts. 3. Operational efficiency. With automated workflows in place, finance teams could focus on strategic initiatives rather than manual tasks. 4. Scalable solutions. The new system provided the scalability needed to support future growth as the business expanded. Conclusion. The successful implementation of SAP FI at Lahori Zeera demonstrates how organizations can transform their financial processes through technology. By leveraging real-time data and automation, businesses can enhance efficiency, improve decision-making, and drive growth. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this case study insightful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on SAP implementations. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.